Did you know that you can move to Ireland with no qualification, no job offer, no employment, no skills, no degree, nothing at all? So as I always say in my video, every single stuff I do on this channel is something that I did it myself or I know of someone that did it. Today's video is about me, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I moved from Cameroon to Ireland free of charge. Exactly as I said, free of charge, with no job offer, no qualification, nothing at all. I just had to move to Ireland free of charge. This is something that most people don't know. It's a pathway that just people that move to Ireland through this can actually explain it to you. So yeah, I'm just going to go straight to the video and show you how it is done. So all you have to do is to go to Google and type www.irishimmigration.ie, and when you get there, this is what the page is going to look like. You can choose I would like to come to Ireland, I am in Ireland for someone that's already in Ireland, or I am in Ireland but my circumstances have changed. For the case of this video, I'm going to choose I would like to come to Ireland, as most people watching this video want to come to Ireland. So you click to I would like to come to Ireland. As you can see, you can come to Ireland to visit. This is usually 3 months and below. You can come to Ireland for work, for people that have work visas. You can come to Ireland to study, for people that have study visas. You can come to Ireland to live. And also you can come to Ireland to join the family. Yeah, this is the one I'm going to talk about today. So you come to Ireland to join the family. That can be any family member. So yeah, if you've got any family member in Ireland, you can come to Ireland with this stuff that I'm about to show you. It doesn't have to be your dad or your mom. If you've got any family member. So these are the different pathways that you can use to come to Ireland if you're coming to join someone in Ireland. So if you are an Irish, you can use this pathway. If you're from the UK, you can use this pathway. But most of us watching this video, we are non-Irish, non-EAA, non-Swiss national. So you just have to click there. And when you click this, it shows you this. You may join a non-EEA/non-EU family member immediately. As I said, immediately. It can be in the next week or two. It can be in the next month or two, if your employment falls under this. So if you know of anyone that lives in Ireland that has a critical skill permit, you can come to Ireland and join that person. If you know of anyone that's an investor, anyone that's an entrepreneur that owns a business, if you know of anyone that have a business permit, if you know of anyone that's in college, anyone that's doing a PhD student. So let's just go through the categories. So this is what you're going to be getting for non-critical skill employer holder, or the stand for holder not covered by other more favored arrangement. So this is all what you need. What is your relationship to the non-EEA family member you want to join? If you're if you're a partner of the person that you want to join, you can click this. If you're a spouse or a civil partner, you can click that. If you are a child, so if your dad, your mom, or your whatever is living in Ireland, you can apply through this. If you're a parent, actually, if you're coming to join, let's say me, I want to invite my mom from Cameroon, I can actually invite her through this link, or any other family member. So yeah, this is for any other family member. So I'm just going to click on this, any other family member. So this is what it comes up like. So it just tells you that if you're coming to Ireland, normally you can come to Ireland with a normal visit visa for up to 3 months. But if you intend to stay in Ireland for more than 3 months, you need a visa. So yeah, for these are all of the requirements that you're going to need in order to move to Ireland free of charge, to meet someone or to join any member of your family, your cousins, your auntie, or whichever member of your family that you want. So these are all of the requirements. So it tells you all of the people that are actually eligible to apply for these, and all of the different type of sponsorship, what a person who is granted a joint family member may do in Ireland. So you can click in any of this link and reach for that. For the case of the video, I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm just going to show you all of the steps and how to do it. So it says how to apply for an Irish visa online. So yeah, you just click there to apply. But before applying, actually, I'm going to go through all of the requirements that you need. So the fees This is the fees for people that are applying. And it also says that some applicants are exempt from the requirement to pay the visa fee. Yeah, so some people can apply for this free of charge. As I said, you can move to Ireland free of charge. That was my case. I moved to Ireland free of charge. I didn't have to pay any fees. And for people that actually need to pay the fees, let me just click on the fees. So you can see the fees aren't that much. The fees are just 60 for a single entry. Multiple entry is 100, and for transit is 25. So yeah, I'll just go back to the main application. So this is how long it may take for you to come to Ireland. So the applicant are processed in days order. So for example, people that apply like a day before you, obviously they're going to have a priority for the application to be looked after faster compared to you that apply today. The quicker you do this application, the faster you can move to Ireland. So yeah, for the case, you can expect that your application will be dealt with within the first 12 months of receipt. So 100%, if you apply and you get it, you're going to be in Ireland within the first 12 months of the application. So yeah, let's just go through all of the guides to the sponsor document. So this is all of the documentation that you actually need. So you have to fill in the application form, which you have to fill in your name, your postal address. For people that don't live in Europe, you probably don't have a postal address, but you can just put in your PO box. So your telephone number, if you have a website, you put it in, your email address, a contact person, names, and your position. So like just someone that they can contact should, in case if they're trying to contact you and it doesn't go through. Then you have to do a written signature of an authorization. So yeah, this one has to be done by everyone. So the supporting documents, the first one has to be a signed and dated summary application form. So there's going to be an application form on this website that you can just download. You fill it out, you sign and date, then you post it on the website. A 2 passport size photograph, not more than 6 months old. Your name and the visa application reference must be printed on the picture. So you take pictures, then you print your application reference. There's going to be a reference number that you have to put on the picture, and you have to put in the date and your name. The third one is your current passport. So your passport, you have to have a passport that is not expiring in the next 6 months. Your current passport must be valid for at least 12 months. So people with like new passport, if your passport is less than 12 months, they might reject your application. A signed letter of application, as I said, there's going to be a full application on this website that you can download and fill it out. You put in all of this stuff that you're looking for. Then your spouse status or eligibility to sponsor. So for people that want to like bring your wife and your kids and stuff, you can put your wife and your kid information on this. Then the evidence of claim. So this is a section that they need to know who the person is through you. So if your auntie is inviting you to Ireland through this family reunification, you need to put in there that's my auntie. If it's your brother, you need to put in there that's your brother. If it's anyone, you need to put in there. So this is all of it. Then for anyone that's under 18, yeah, if you're under 18, you need someone that's over 18 to sign in some form. So if you're under 18, you need your birth certificate. If you're adopted, you need an adopted cert. In the case of a child from a previous marriage or relationship, evidence that you have been given full custody. So for people that have custody, they have to like have a signed letter from the person that's taking care of you to move to Ireland. So you have to all of this. Then some people have to prove your finance. You must provide evidence of your finance and of those of your sponsor. So your sponsor, the person that's bringing you to Ireland or that's inviting you to Ireland, can show your pay slip or can show whatever form the government is looking for, like your bank statement and whatever. So if you're going to be sponsoring your spouse, you have to go through all of these. People who is eligible to sponsor application for immediate family reunification. So yeah, you have to go through this to know who is eligible to do that. As I said, it depends on your job and all the other stuff. So this is like all of the requirements that you need. Like one of the people that can sponsor you is someone that have an employment, or someone that hold an Irish permit as well can invite you to come stay with the person in Ireland. That's what happened to me. I got invited to come stay with the person in Ireland. For people that have family back in Africa, you can invite them, but you need to show proof that you're your family members. So you can just show a letter, a birth cert, if you have the same name with the person, that you guys are family. So this is all of what you're asking. If someone is your family, that's the proof, the evidence to show that you can't just invite anyone. You can invite someone that's a relative to you or someone that you know. So yeah, then you need actually a medical or a travel insurance. This is easy. You can get it online, you can get it anywhere. And if you've ever had a visa refusal before, you need to let them know so they can check and see why. This is usually done in most cases, so they can see why you were rejected, and if it's the same case, they're going to reject it. If it's not the same case, you're going to get a visa and you will move to Ireland. So the visa application on the behalf of a child. So if someone is less than 18, then someone else has to sign. As I said before, you have to sign a consent letter and a court order. Then when you've done all of this, all documents accompanying your application must be original. So everything has to be original, sign and date. Then you send it to the immigration center. So yeah, once you have done all of this requirement that you've seen there, you can go back to the top of this page that says apply. Then you do your application. Yeah, that's all what I can show you guys today. This is legit. This is what I actually use to move to Ireland free of charge, and you can do it as well. There's a lot of people that can actually move to Ireland free of charge with no jobs, no qualification, nothing at all, but they don't actually know of this. So yeah, I decided to share it today because that's what I use myself to move to Ireland. And today I've got an Irish passport just through this. So thanks a million for watching, and please don't forget to like, share for as many as possible people to see and know this pathway to come to Ireland. See you later.